Alright, I'm gonna make a little video on how I got my Xbox controller to work for my Centroid Acorn lathe. First, you gotta download this program here. It's the rewasd program. It's 14-day free trial, what they got going on, or you could buy it. It's $9. It cost me $9 when I bought it. And then a couple of different things that you could use in it that allow you to do it. $9. I got the combo too, so that way when you do your keys, you're gonna have two buttons pushed at once. That's probably one that you're gonna want to buy. And then you're gonna need your manual, because here's your keys. See, it's two buttons. That one's one. You got two if you want to set it up for them. So I downloaded that, and this is the program. So there's a couple videos online that tell you what program to use, but they don't go into the program here and show you how to use it. But I figured I'll help you guys out, you know. So basically, when you get it, there's none of these buttons are laid out for mine. Right now I have my left toggle moving my Z-axis, positive over here, negative over there, and this one, my right toggle up and down, I got my X positive and X negative. And then I got my stop, program stop, cycle start, and this one turns on my panel, the USB panel, on and off. And then I got my incremental here, and I got up and then down in the increments there. And over here I got my rapid and my turtle. So I'll show you how I did it real quick. So for my Z negative, in the manual, if we could go back to it, I'll show you real quick. So in the manual, let's see, we got Z, where's it, right here? Okay, so we got Z negative, which is saying it's the left arrow. So we go over here, and in this drop down menu here, you just scroll through, and it has all these different keyboard buttons that you can use. And I just went down and I found, just saw where to go. Okay, so left arrow right there, I clicked that, and you just exit out of it over here. And then that set that up for left, and I did the same over here for the right arrow. And then so same with the B. I use that one as my stop basically. So I selected the escape key because on the keyboard that's what it is. But my cycle start, I had to get the key combo down here to work, because it takes two commands in order to do it, and I wanted it in a one button function. So I got the combo, and how you set the combos up, what I found what works, I don't know if this is right, but it works for me and it seems to work in the program, is you got to click the key combo down here and it brings up this screen. And so what was it? It was Alt S is for cycle start, so I click Alt and then click S, and it brings up 4 like this. This is how it came up stock for me, but I found I had to push this hold until release, and that seemed to work to make the button do both functions with one push. And you just back to, and it brings you back to here. And so that got my cycle start to work. And then to turn my program on and off in order to be able to use the controller, I had to use this again, and this one is Alt J to turn it on. So I just wanted one button to turn it on and off, so Alt J, and then hold till release, and I got that to work to turn it on and off. Just go to the back 2 again out of that. Click over here. But yeah, it's just basically laying out your buttons like that. And I just wanted to show you how to use that combo to make it work with one button. Okay, so how that's going to work on this is I got my home button to turn it on. Jog panel active. Jog panel off. So active, and then I got my turtle mode right here. Now it's for the rapids. Turtle mode, and I got my Z, positive, or negative, and then positive. And I got my X, negative, positive. And then I got my incremental, see how it turns that on, and then up to step up, down to step down. That seems to be working pretty good so far. I'm gonna mess around with more, but I just wanted to get a little video out there showing you what all you can do with it for the lathe. A lot of, the lathe, you don't need all those other axes, so I figured I wanted to show you a little way of getting into that program, so because there's no info out there really for setting up the controller for it, so I wanted to get it out there, and hopefully that helps you out.